Okay, so this is Dawn with Abundant Life, and for this video we are going to review viewing your notes, your output PDF notes, that is the notes in their PDF form, and we're going to view this in the mobile view. So if you're logged in on a mobile device, a cell phone or a tablet, and you can also view it in any web browser, this is what you're going to see as the home screen. So I'm logged in as Nurse John Doe. Okay, so here we're home. All right, and we're going to review some notes for the 25th. So here's the visit, Monday, January 25th, right here. And we're going to go ahead and go into this visit. So now in our three columns, in the three tabs in the mobile view, we have the info, the notes, and the post time tabs, which are very similar to the full site but just formatted a little bit differently. So we'll scroll down in the on the phone or on whatever device you're using and click patient forms. And here you can view the plan of care, the current nurse notes, which is what we're going to be looking at, and previous nurse notes. So for right now I'm going to talk about the current nurse notes. So if you click this, it's going to bring up a separate document. So depending on what browser or what phone you use, it may show up differently. It may pop up and say downloading. It may open Adobe Acrobat or whatever PDF user you have, or it may do nothing. So you may have to look into how attachments come on your phone. That's obviously going to vary by device. But for the purposes of this video, let's say that it just pops up and you click open. All right, so this is the same for this visit. I put the shift time in and out for the purposes of this video. I did not complete an assessment, but you can see that I did complete an INO entry. I did complete a ventilator log entry. I administered some medications. I recorded in the PRN effectiveness log, recorded in the treatment log, seizure log, and most importantly, the notes log. Now I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit because this is very important that we are verifying the time we're documenting is going into the system correctly. So obviously we want to check the date. Now this is 1/27 that this was documented. However, the visit is 1/25. So you can tell that this is not correct because it's documented on the 27th, but the visit's on the 25th. So this is important, especially when you're documenting before or going back to document, that you use the correct date. Also, we need to check the time. The time's very important, especially AM and PM. So if you find that you're documenting and you feel that you're putting the correct time in, say 3:30 p.m., but on this output document it's showing 3:30 a.m., then you have a problem that needs to be addressed with your phone or your browser, and we can figure that out. But it's important that you check this to make sure that your note looks correct with the times that you are entering. And then if you have any questions, you can of course give us a call. There are certain mobile devices that seem to be having trouble with this timestamp, and in those cases we may recommend that you just use the full site, which I will show you how to access right now. In the mobile site on any phone or tablet or any device really, while you're in the from anywhere in the mobile site, you can click this menu on the top right, and it brings up this menu here, and you click full site and it will take you to the full site where you can document. Other suggestions to fix this issue would be to make sure that you're using Google Chrome. Google Chrome is the best for this. And any other issues you're having, please just bring it to our attention so that we can help get it straightened out. All right, thanks.